Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start your day right with a warm bowl of oatmeal, made effortlessly in your microwave. In this video, I will show you how to cook oatmeal in the microwave. First, grab a microwave-safe bowl and combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of water or milk. Make sure your bowl is large enough to accommodate the oats as they expand, preventing any messy overflows. A small pinch of salt can also elevate the flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Place your bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking times can vary based on your microwave's power, so keep a close eye on it, especially towards the end, to avoid any boilovers. For best results and even cooking, give your oatmeal a quick stir about halfway through the heating process. Once the microwave beeps, resist the urge to dive in immediately. It's crucial to let your oatmeal rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This brief resting period allows the oats to fully absorb the remaining liquid, transforming them into a wonderfully thick and creamy texture. A final, thorough stir before serving will ensure that perfect, consistent spoonful every time, ready for your favorite toppings. Now for the fun part, customizing your delicious oatmeal. Elevate your bowl with fresh fruits such as juicy berries or sweet sliced bananas. For a touch of sweetness, drizzle with honey, maple syrup, or sprinkle some brown sugar. Don't forget to add a handful of nuts, seeds, or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor and a delightful crunch. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, personalized oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.